day in the neighborhood, guys, because it is Friday. So, coming at you, our warm-up today, we got ourselves a 3-minute run, just nice and easy, nice good talkative pace. Should get about a mile in that 3 minutes. Then from there, you're going to 3 sets. It's going to be 10 coda planks. Right, those coda planks here, right, dropping my elbows up and down, and then from there I'll reach on out, hold a 20-second Superman plank, and then from there I'll inchworm it out for 5 reps. 3 sets of that, and then from there you'll have 5 prone snow angels. So I'll just be on my belly, just like so. After that 5, I'll go right into my 10 scat push-ups. After the 10 scat push-ups, right into my 10-second push-up hold at the bottom. But yeah, it's pretty much, remember, it's Friday. Yesterday was Friday Eve. So make sure you have yourself ready. From here, I'm gonna leave it off to Coach B.
What's up, players? Jumping into your DMs. Today's walk. Don't take that serious. 20-minute EMOM real quick. Minute 1, we have 15 to 20 push-ups. Minute 2, 15 to 20 burpees. Minute 3, same thing, 15 to 20 V-ups. And then minute 4, 35 toe taps or heel taps, whatever you want to call them. And that is a 2 count. Minute 5 is a rest. Scaled reps for your push-ups, anywhere from 12 to 15. The burpees, anywhere from 8 to 12. And then your V-ups, keep it the same, 15 to 20, but either go to straight-legged sit-ups or regular sit-ups. Totally up to you. The toe tap, same thing, 35 for everyone, and then you get a rest. So these are going to be like 30 to 40 seconds of work, maybe a little bit longer, but you will get a rest. Push-ups, push-ups, burpees, burpees. Remember those heel taps. Oh, I'm here. My shoulder blades are off the floor, and I'm reaching for my toe. Try not to just get away with touching your heel. Right? I'm rotating. I'll be 1, 2, 3. Until I get to 35. Try to keep your head neutral. Try not to do this too much because then you get dizzy. And yeah, that's it. Have an awesome Friday. Have fun with this one. See you guys Monday.